Hi, it's Gary. I'm doing another report on the skid steer. I got the complete boom assembly off of it, getting the tractor stripped down. Go ahead and get the engine and all out of it too, get everything cleaned up well. This rod going across was extremely hard to get out. The tube in the back goes clean across the machine. It wasn't really rusty in there, but it was froze. And these collars, these coupling collars. Alright, I did get a new hydraulic filter. Let me show y'all down in the tank. What I was talking about, the old filter had never been changed. That's the old filter. Hydraulic oil only, international. That's the air filter in there too. Here's my new hydraulic filter. It's a Wix 433. It's not identical to it, but it will work. I got it actually ready to go in. So it's going to sit right down in the tank. And then it's got the screen. That whole can goes down there on top of it. This is the screen. It's going to sit on top of the filter. I still got to clean it out. But it does have a pressure relief built into it. Let me clean it up. Alright, we got the front cylinders off. We got the seat off of it. Let's take it apart with a crescent wrench. We're pulling the cage off. All right, I got a bolt back here now. Put a little pressure on it. Too much. Well, after about 6 hours, we finally got the tank out. It was glued in there by all the dirt and rocks and everything else. So now we got a major cleanup again. We should be able to get the engine out next week. But there is the hydraulic tank to an International 3300B skid steer. Literally had to dig it out of there. Until next week.